I'm Karen Cootie Cooper. As a child, I wanted to be a writer. When I became an adult, I figured I would write fiction and poetry, but it's pretty hard to make a living at that. So I drifted to history. We are survivors, and that's what amazed me, everything that we went through in past generations. But a book is kind of daunting. That's a big thing. So it kind of started out with when I went back to school to get my master's. So my thesis, I wrote about how museums had treated American Indian people, because I was working in a museum and I often had to argue with my bosses about things that they were displaying or saying that was not appropriate, because museums need to understand that we are unique peoples and we have our ways of doing things and things that we're sensitive about and things that we want people to change their point of view about. And so that was the book that I wrote.